Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane in sunny Warwickshire today. Postcode for your sat nav is B495QD and the contact number is 01789 763432. I'd like to show you around this 2022 Coachman VIP 575. It's a one owner van from new which Broadlane supplied, and this lady and gentleman have recently collected their brand new Coachman 575. I'll give you a tour around it then. The VIP is the flagship model on the single axle range from Coachman. This body is 7.7 wide body. It features Power Touch Evolution manual engaged motor mover. Let me show you around the interior. So nice bright space to be, full width panoramic window, opening hecker roof light, super bright interior. You've got the two colour locker system and they're soft close too. Cassette blinds, incorporated night fly screens, touch sensitive operation, underpalmic blind system, lighting system. Pull out, occasional table, makes it to a double bed, plenty of seating for four. Kitchen area then, you've got the kitchen extension, different colour on these overhead lockers, look. Very classy cooker unit, 3 gas burners, electric hot plate, and you'll even find that there's courtesy lighting. In fact, there's courtesy lighting throughout in the VIP. This model then, you'll notice that this worktop same height as that size, so it doubles up not only somewhere to put your TV but also additional kitchen work preparation space. Nice big fixed island bed, wardrobing, etc. Somewhere to put your TV. Decorative panel on the sliding door to the washroom. I'll let my colleague tour you around. So you've got the obscure window, swivel seat, push button flush, Aldi heated towel rail, temporary wash basin, and great sized shower. There you go. I'm Gary at Broadlane. We offer great part exchange, finance subject status, and on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much.